Hello everyone, today I will show you how to set raw height in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet. I'll set this raw height. Click on this raw serial number and select right button and select here raw size option. Now put your raw height and make it 40 and OK. And see this raw height already changed. Also I'll change multiple raw height. Select the raw and click right button and select your raw size and make this 25. Okay, and see this is also I'll change this 3 rows height and set, make it 21 and OK, and see this. In this you can set raw height customly. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.